Alright, what's up guys? So today, see my curls hanging out real quick. So I'm wearing my hair like a curly crop top right now. I usually have waves, but I just decided to wear it like this for a little while. Today we're gonna be bleaching my hair. Today we'll be bleaching my hair, but I got two cameras, so I've been wanting to do this for a couple years now, and my wife always tells me no. So I finally just said, let's just do it. So she'll be helping me out. So I'm gonna comb it out. Comb out my fro real quick. So we're gonna take this BW2, open this up. I've seen videos where it said to put like 2 scoops, but those people had like shorter hair than mine, so I'm gonna do 3. It says 6 on here, but I'm just gonna do 3. So I got my 3 scoops of W2 in here. Then I'm gonna take my 40 volume, shake it up, and then we'll put it in there.
She likes the way I put it down. She likes the way I put it down. She likes the way.
About 30 minutes in, my wife had to help me out a lot because my hair is a lot longer than other people's on YouTube. So I was gonna get my hair cut and just have my waves, just have blonde waves or platinum waves, but I wanted to have the crop top look as well. So I'm woofing right now. So I think I'll just keep it long and see how it goes.
Like a thief in the night. I wanna wake you up and have you screaming, have you extending trips after the weekend. I give you life and I leave you leaking. Is that alright? You a sheen now, we a team now. This is we now, yes indeed. Now I'm about to deep vibe. She loves the way, she loves the way I always come home to her. Just know that I won't fold her. She loves the way.
Now I'm gonna put my cap on and let it chill for another hour. See how it looks. So this is what my hair looks like. I got about 15 more minutes. There you go. Gotta do both. So this is what my hair looks like after an hour and 30 minutes. I'm gonna put my conditioner in, leave it in there for like 30 minutes, show you guys what that looks like, and then I'll probably put some product in my hair to lay it down and put my do-rag on, and then we'll see how it goes. This is what my hair looks like the next day. They're still there. Not as pronounced as they were when they were black. The texture did change a little bit. But we're gonna bleach it again. Yeah. Day 2. So I'm putting it in, and then we'll do another hour and 20, hour and 30 minutes really. And see if we need some toner in it. Looks like it's going pretty white probably. I got it in for about 30 minutes already. Let's see if you guys can see. Alright, so I'm outside. Got about 15 minutes left. It's getting pretty white. We'll see once I wash it out, but I'm trying to get some sun in there real quick. Alright, this is what it looks like after the purple shampoo. So it got pretty white. So this is about a level 10. The purple's still in there. I like the purple look though. I like that. I got this purple shampoo again in my hair. I'm gonna leave it in for like 20 minutes. Wash it out. Show you guys. I'm going to get a haircut. Let's see what it looks like after we're done.
wanted was me to just to see you. Tell me, what can we do to get this right? You know I'm right. 'Cause all I ever wanted